Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, Senior Evangelist here at Dremio, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about how you can learn more about the Data Lakehouse. So while I have a lot to say about the Data Lakehouse, Dremio, we've been putting out a lot of great content on what is the Data Lakehouse that you can easily consume. Most easily through our podcast, Gnarly Data Waves. Going back for over a year now, you can find all sorts of episodes with people from all across the Data Lakehouse space talking about really cool technologies and how they relate to data lakehouses. So you can subscribe to that on iTunes, Spotify. We also have another podcast called Data Disruptors with our founder, Tomer Sharon, where he interviews a lot of data leaders, well, in the Data Lakehouse space. And they're pretty exciting and fun conversations, so make sure to check that out. And last, I'd like to point out to check out the Dremio blog at dremio.com/blog, where you can learn more about the Lakehouse through lots of hands-on tutorials, high-level conceptual explanations, and a lot of other great content about the Data Lakehouse space and the technology around it. So go learn more. I'll see you soon. Have a great one.